So, colors always bring some positive energies to me, and well, this is one of the most hidden areas of Oslo. If I can give you the name properly, I'll just pronounce it very soon. Absolutely forgotten and mesmerized with the colors. But can you believe these beautiful buildings over here? So wow, amazing. Yeah, the neighborhood is called Damstredet or Damstredet. I'll be quiet now. I'll just be vlogging because I'm literally enjoying this neighborhood. It's very cold. Okay, here we go. Such a lovely sunny day after so long. You can see the snow. Very little tourist coming here. Hi guys. It's in Bengali like ek bole amay dekh, o bole amay. Like wow, colors, just colors. It's still fresh snow, as you can see it, and probably my most favorite corner of the city so far. Here we go. It's a private property. I was just speaking to the landlord. He's a very nice person. Not sure if he's around, but yeah, these three small buildings, all three are his. Ta-da! Such lovely colorful buildings, absolutely hidden in Oslo. My find. Bye for now.